I want to say at the outset a thank you to the many who have helped prepare this assembly and to our presenters this morning. And I want to say a special thanks to Addison Hunt for his work in leading this overall effort. We are grateful to you, Mr. Hunt. We could not find a better exemplar of Landon's motto of by virtue and not by force than Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. His message of righteousness, that is virtue, pursued by a strategy defined by nonviolence, that is not force, was not only effective in bringing about massive cultural and social change, it is also timely today.
If I can dream of a better land where all my brothers walk hand in hand, tell me why, oh why can't my dream come true?
In 1994, Martin Luther King Day also had a service component added to it, and it's now called the Martin Luther King Day of Service. I'd like to present three of our Landon Bears who are involved in service.
This past summer, I started a small business that provided an influx of books that seemed to consume our garage space. As a family, we decided that it would be a waste to throw these books out, and even dropping them off at Goodwill wasn't good enough. We wanted to give these books to someone who really needed them. After some research, we decided to partner with the African Library Project to do our first book drive.
Back in spring, our country was critically short on personal protective equipment, so my family started creating face shields for first responders and healthcare providers. We fundraised, made arrangements with local businesses with laser cutting technology, engaged local volunteers, and reached out to nonprofit health centers and fire departments to identify the need. I reached out to my classmates to help with the assembly and got an overwhelming response. When Mr. Jacoby, our tennis coach and mentor, had passed away from COVID, we decided to dedicate the effort to him. As a team, we were able to produce and donate over 2,000 shields to health clinics, nursing homes, and the DC Fire Department.
I've been running a project called Operation SOS, a project in where I fly personal protective equipment to rural hospitals. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. in his I Have a Dream speech said that we must forever conduct our struggle on the high plane of dignity and discipline. And these are two very important guiding principles that have been at the heart of my passion and commitment to Operation SOS.
Make it your mission to spread the love, service, and charity throughout the year. Though I won't tell you what to do today, I will share with you my favorite MLK quote. Everybody can be great because anybody can serve. You don't have to have a college degree to serve. You don't have to make your subject and verb agree to serve. You don't need a heart full of grace, a soul generated by love.